Good morning, day 24 of the Wildlife Lockdown Diaries, and today I want to talk to you about wildflowers growing in chalk cliffs. Thanet has the longest continuous stretch of chalk cliffs in the country, and we have some amazing wildflowers growing in them, and I thought it would be nice to tell you about it from the sky. Here I am at Weston Undercliff in Ramsgate, near where I live. And as you can see, it's full of chalk cliff faces with plants growing in them. It's amazing really how plants can grow in such a dry, chalky habitat, but things do. Orchids do really well here. 30 of the UK's 50 orchid species grow in chalk. I'm going to try and get you in here and show you up close some of these flowers. Providing habitat for insects will provide life for bigger things like birds. There's all sorts of special plants that grow in this habitat, and right now they're looking gorgeous in flower. We'll go in here and just get a few of them. One that grows quite well along here is hoary stock, and it's quite a rare flower. You get it in white and red. It's all grown in there. And then these yellow flowers here, Iriseum sherry. And every now and again when I'm looking at the flowers through the binoculars, I see a flower I don't recognise. And sadly, that's quite often a plastic flower that's blown off someone's memorial bench. And up here, something very special. This is ivy. Ivy provides great habitat and cover for wildlife. You'll get all sorts of birds nesting in there. It's quite hard filming these with the drone, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some photos in the comments naming the flowers. I've seen birds of prey stashing their food in amongst this ivy and in these cliffs, so the cover is very important for that. And with all the invertebrates you get in there, you're going to get birds feeding in there, and you do. You get birds feeding and nesting in there, and even in extra overgrown bits you get foxes denning in there, and every now and again you get fulmar nesting, but they don't really nest in the plants, just in the cliffs. It's absolutely brilliant for butterflies along here as well. And sadly we've carved into our chalk cliff quite a lot, but things could be worse. And when these plants try and grow in amongst the concrete structures, they can often fracture the concrete, so they do have to be pulled out now and again. Red valerian's a good one for that. That grows anywhere. It's a brilliant wildflower. And they don't get touched. These cliffs remain untouched, so wildflowers just go wild. And as I often say, the best thing you can do for nature is nothing. That's often what happens with these cliffs. It's a bit of a foggy one this morning.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
But I'm out to do the morning dog walk, so I'm not allowed out again today. I'm going to bring her home because my battery's low. So I hope you've enjoyed that short piece on wildflowers growing in our cliffs. They really are important habitat, and they provide a lot of life, except for the plastic ones. Thank you.